We now have Goldcrest Phase 2, only bigger and better. It is a 3-bedroom plus a DSQ, 2,000 square feet in size. It has 16 units only in the compound. It has a rooftop swimming pool. Just imagine, a rooftop swimming pool, making it an ideal for your family and investment. It's near Bombolulu Estate, just less than 100 meters from Mombasa Malindi Highway. Imagine how this investment will be with the expansion of this road. Let's have a tour of this project. Karibu. As we start with the tour of this unit, we started saying we have a total of 16 units in the compound with 2 units per floor. We have a unit on the right wing and another unit on the left wing, depending which side you are looking us at from. Now, it comes with a lift, giving access up to your 8th floor. Then from the 8th floor is where we have the swimming pool on your rooftop deck. Now, let's start with the show house. Now, this is the show house for this particular unit. It will be ready in the next 6 months, that is June 2026. So there is a show house ready. Now, this is your entrance door, and this is the door from your kitchen. And we have your DSQ. We started saying this is a 3-bedroom plus a DSQ. So let's start from the DSQ for today. Now for the DSQ, this is the size for your DSQ. You can place your bed over here. It comes with a wardrobe for your house manager. Then there is a barn door. So this barn door gives access to your house manager washroom with a shower area. So it is well situated, it is well designed. Plus this barn door kind of create more space. Imagine if you could have, this door could be opening clockwise or anti-clockwise. It could have consumed space. So by sliding, it minimizes on the space for this particular unit. Now, this is the door to the kitchen. Your house manager can come from the kitchen to his chambers. Now, let's start with the main entrance for our 3-bedroom plus DSQ unit at Goldcrest Phase 2. Now, you have this massive door. Before we go in, there is this limestone cladding. This limestone cladding brings the Costarian aesthetics for this particular unit. So you have this limestone cladding on your entrance. This will be your bell for ringing your unit inside, and it opens up to this massive mvule door. I just love this door. Look the way it was crafted very well, very nice. With this big door, all your furnitures can comfortably enter into this unit. Now, welcome into the living room space for this particular unit. Now, this is your living room space for a 8.5 million Kenya shillings apartment. This is good space when I say so. So for this particular space, you can do your designated for your dining can be set up there because this space is spacious enough. Then you have this space for your lounge. It comes with this chandelier on the ceiling. So you have these two chandeliers. Another one can be on your dining area. Then you have this in your living room area or your lounge, as others may say it. So this opens up to your balcony. You have this massive balcony which gives you air or space into this living room space. So this is a good balcony space. Imagine a balcony, imagine a unit upstairs on the 7th, 8th floor. You can have the aerial view of Mombasa, Malindi area. So this is your balcony, comes with this glass rail with your aluminum touch on it. Now let's check out the other spaces. So for these particular spaces, you have this area. This can be your sink vanity whereby you can do the washing for your hands before you go to your dining space. It comes with this carving from the hardwood, so it can create this authentic look for your sink area, unlike the normal ones. Now, as for your kitchen, it is a very lovely. This wood finishing separator kind of complements this kitchen space. Now, for your kitchen space, it comes L-shaped. It has the modern setup, kitchen setup. When I say modern most of the time, I mean you have your oven, microwave designated in one end, and you have your extractor, and you have this space for your burner. Unlike the old system whereby they used to cut here, then you buy your cooker to be fitted. So that's what I mean by modern kitchen setup. So this unit comes semi-furnished, but it doesn't come with a burner because we didn't know maybe you need a 90 by 90 cooker, maybe 60 by 60 cooker. But for us, for the show house, we have done the 60 size cooker. But if you buy this unit, you get your oven, microwave, and extractor. So I just love the gray cabinets, which kind of complements this kitchen with some white ceramic worktop with some off-white backsplash. Now on this other side, it comes with this Yanzaro black ceramic black sink with this pot filler. Vitu modern hapa. Now on this other side, you have your laundry space. So this is your laundry space whereby you can do your washing machine. So washing machine will be installed in this space. This is your laundry. Before we check out the other rooms, let me close that for a bit. Not forgetting, this is your designated area for your fridge. So imagine the way your house will be well designed. So you have your fridge set up over there. A double fridge will fit perfectly into that space. Now, before we go further, I started saying this is the door to your DSQ. So you can see this is the door that I was talking about. It gives access to your DSQ. Now, let's start with this right wing. With this right wing, we have, this is your common washroom. And one thing I love about the washroom, you can never go wrong if you are using some off-white gray tiles. They bring some warm feeling in your washroom. So you have this space for your shower area. You have your sitting toilet, your Arabic shower, sink vanity. This particular unit for the common washroom will be used by, this is your room number one. This is your room number one. It is spacious enough than most unit for a 2008.5. This is a very good space. It comes with a window, a beige wardrobe in that corner. So let's check the other unit. So this is a good size for this particular project. Now, on the left wing, we have the other 2 bedrooms. And these other 2 bedrooms, they are all Ensuite. Let's start with bedroom number 2. So for the bedroom number 2, it is massive in size. Look at this space. Even if you are doing 2 double beds, you are doing 1 big bed, it can fit perfectly for your children, for your loved ones. And in that corner, you have that beige wardrobe space, which is spacious. It has a balcony opening up, bringing more air into this unit. It has a washroom tucked on that corner. Let's check it out. So all the units, if you have noticed, they have wood finishing in all the doors. So this is a value for your money for a 8.5 million. Now, this is your washroom space. It has this separation of your shower area. You have your sitting toilet, and you have your sink and a mirror on that end. So let's check it out on our primary bedroom. So let's go. Now, for your primary bedroom, still it comes with a mvule door. Let's start with the primary washroom. For this primary washroom, I like the way how it has been designed. On this end, it comes with a channel drain on this side. So all the washroom comes with a channel drain. And I just love this recessed shelf, which has been incorporated in your washroom. You can just put your stuff over here. So it is well separated. It has a half separation of the glass. So that means water will not be able to come on to flow on this other side. It comes with your sitting toilet, your Arabic shower, also have your recessed shelf, for your items over here. And on this other side, you have your sink vanity, a mirror, and this. What is this called? Blow dry. So for the mama of the house, if you buy this unit, Bliss Homes will promote you with your blow dry. So from the washroom. Imagine these spaces for your folding clothes, and you have this space. This is a massive wardrobe for the his and hers. Now, for this primary bedroom, it comes with this hanging lights for your bed. This is where your bed will be. It beautifies or brings some love into your bed space. It also comes with a balcony space. So this balcony, you can relax with your loved one in this balcony. It also gives air or light into your primary bedroom. So this has been the tour of Goldcrest Phase 2. This project is supposed to be ready by the June of 2026. For those who are watching us from this month of December, you can book as little as 30% deposit, though the project is over 60% done. You can book with only 30% deposit, balance within 6 months of the remaining months. Or if you need more months, we can do that for you. So talk to Bliss Homes, your property consultant in Mombasa, Kenya. Karibu sana.